up, guys? Just got this box. About to do an unboxing here. Show you guys what I got.
That's the work of a serial killer right there. You know how to stab.
Show you guys what I got from my diets.
From your diets?
To help on my diet, you know, help on my meals and stuff.
Your steroids.
I told you before. Yes. Told you before. Just gonna stab myself. Just 1 second. Yes. I told you before. I don't use steroids.
Why are you getting up in the camera like this?
I don't use steroids. I'm all natural. All natural, guys. All natural. Dun, 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 dun.
Drums.
Dun, 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 dun.
Go, juggle. Drums. Drums. Jesus, that was a shitty drum.
Okay. First, got myself. No, they sent me a wee sample.
Of what?
Pre-workout.
What is that?
Give you a bit of energy whenever you go to the gym, you know?
They sent you some Viagra. That's nice.
It's not Viagra. Don't worry, I'm gonna use it.
Oh god.
Maybe not. Look, and this was a free t-shirt with the...
Seriously? Show
Yes.
me. Maybe I'm gonna take it. Oh, that's good. That's good. It's large, isn't it?
It
Did
is.
you get it for free?
Yeah,
That's really nice of
it
them.
was free.
Look,
This was free as well.
t-shirt, shaker, some Viagra. It's really nice of them. It's really nice. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You can stop now.
Okay then, so I got... What is this? Creatine.
Oh, my hands are
I
shaking.
got creatine.
And what is that for? Let people know
to
what
give
it's
me-
for.
This is to give me some power in the gym.
In bed.
I have no power in bed. Sweet.
For real?
Oh, another sample.
Of
So-
different
some recovery
different Viagra?
recover bar.
Oh yeah, that's after the whole action, just to recover your body. No, but actually, what is it for? Like, you eat it after gym, don't you?
Yeah.
Good. Why are you throwing your shit like this? I'm gonna break something. Put this knife away, it's very dangerous.
And I got some gluten.
Looks like somebody has used it already. Look, half of it is like gone.
What the fuck? That's right. Look. Can you see?
Yeah, it's like, look, it's like half.
That's not
What
right.
a rip-off! Seriously?
I don't like this no more.
See,
I got-
what is it actually? Has to be like this?
No, I don't know. Look. Nearly half of the thing already.
Seriously, like half of it is gone.
And this is for me and for the woman.
Mm,
Yes.
holy shit.
Protein
Jugo,
powder.
is it me again, or is half of it is gone already as well?
It's not half of... Oh, it is. No,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
What the hell?
Look.
What is that?
That's protein.
That's a rip-off. Okay, well, that's nice to know.
Just a very big tub with a
Yeah,
half
and
of...
why? Like, what's the point of making that?
Anyway, protein powder. Protein powder. Strawberry flavor. Very nice. And I got this.
Dun, dun, dun. And what is it?
This is my 6-pack
Si-
bag.
Okay. I thought that one there.
This is my 6-pack bag. As the woman said, my lunchbox.
Yeah, his lunchbox, which was very expensive.
My lunchbox.
Just go into the Euro shop, get a 6 lunchboxes you pay like what, €6?
That's right. Yeah.
But no, he paid.
Relax. You relax.
Yeah,
You
I'm not
say
gonna say how
was.
much it cost. Yeah, because it was very expensive, and only insane person will do that. But
It's my lunchbox.
yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
I will. All my meals gonna go inside of this lunchbox.
Jesus help you.
Dun, dun,
Can you be more
dun.
careful? Like, seriously, you're gonna break your stuff.
Look at my lunchbox.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna get fat.
Okay, guys.
You're gonna be like me.
Show them this. Look. Oh, here's just a,
Strap,
yeah. Here I can put two, like,
2 shakes. That's nice.
two shakes in here. And there's the other side.
Another 2 shakes
Another
here.
2 shakes if I want to, or
That's
something else.
nice. That's nice.
And then up here.
Jogo, smile a bit.
Yes. What do you mean
Smile.
smile a bit?
Smile.
Why?
Just smile for people, Jesus. That's. Oh God.
Okay, here,
Okay.
look. Then up here. What do I have up here?
Can we see? Ooh. Looks nice.
Up here I have a small lunchbox, as the woman said.
Yeah, it is lunchbox.
Isn't it?
Seriously, guys, tell me if I'm wrong.
This is more for,
For
your vitamins,
like-
for your tablets.
for drugs.
Not
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
It's more like that.
Oh,
Okay.
Very expensive lunchboxes. What is that?
This is the ice bag.
Ah, you put it in a fridge and then you freeze it and then you. That's nice.
Keep your food fresh.
Maybe you can drink this, no?
No, you can't.
Look, it says non-toxic. You can drink it.
No, you can't. Look,
Yeah, maybe you can drink it. Who knows?
two ice bags. I'm just taking everything off. And then I'm not
Taking
gonna.
everything out, you mean?
That's what I mean. and then I'm not gonna know where to put it.
Dun dun dun. See, guys, seriously, just simple lunchboxes. You could get this in a Euro shop for like 1.49 or 99 cents. But this diva.
Look. Uno. Dos. Tres. Four.
Okay. Yeah, and where's the 6th one? Is that
6.
there? See, it's still kind of a rip-off. Because you can't really use this 6th one like for proper meal.
I can add another one in here. Look.
See, the one you still have to buy in a Euro shop.
No, I have it.
From me, the ones I bought.
I bought it.
Stealing.
I don't steal anything.
Ah.
I'm not stealing anything. So you see? Very nice. Look. Let's put everything back.
That's nice. I like the way they're.
Yeah. Just to keep yourself organized, you know?
Yeah. It is nice though. Like it was very
It's
pricey.
nice if you're going somewhere, still get your meals with you, you know?
It is very pricey though. You have to agree with me.
It is.
Very expensive. Very.
It is. Okay. There. I didn't like this though.
You didn't like that it's half full or half empty?
Half look is here.
Well,
It's
yeah.
less than a half if you'd say.
No, like you have to shake it properly to make it like straight.
There.
Yeah,
Look.
see?
It's there. And this as well. They're selling half stuff. That's. What is it? This one you can't see. Probably is here. I'm joking.
No, but for real, that's kind of weird. Look, why are they like? Even if it's like the way it should be, right? Why do they make them so big anyway? Look, what's the point? Like, that's a waste of stuff.
No, anyway. Here. Okay. Put this in here.
So, are you excited?
Yes. Let's go eat.
Jesus help you. Okay.
No, wait a second. Wait a second. I need to put the t-shirt. It's a large one.
Wait.
Oh, look. What is this?
Yeah, you left that out.
But from where I took that? From here?
From the side.
I thought I put two on here. Oh no, this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, look.
Okay, so there we go. That was the unboxing of
My
this
supplements.
ripoff.
It's not a ripoff.
It
Wasn't a ripoff. That was my supplements. Like
look.
that.
Seriously, the price of this shit here, and half of this and half of that for the amount of money that you spend is a ripoff. I'm pretty sure. Oh my god, seriously?
Okay, guys. See you next time.
Bye.